Hello, today we're gonna make a bird. You have to start with the paper. You fold them in a half, like this, see? It should be like a long book. See, and then you fold it in another half so it could be a really long book at the top. And inside is so small. Okay. And when you open it up, it looks like this, right? You have to fold it and do another one like this and like that. So now it only looks like a bird. See? We're gonna do like this. It looks like an airplane, but we're not gonna make an airplane. It's nighttime and just fold it like this.
干嘛？麦娜，不要弄出来，麦放进去，都放进去。
See?
跟你说你不可杀，
And you
超傻。
squish and squash. And put another one.
那
And
我跟你说，
then you're almost done
说
with the bird. Now it's the last one. Now you
说
could
我就想
put
问，
it like this. See at the bottom? This has to be at the top. So we are gonna finish this really, really fast. And we're done. See this bird? And you could color it on, and this is where my house lives. See? Now we have to go down.
我给你，
This is someplace else that is Chinese food. Okay. And I have something to show you. Look, it is really big. I labeled all of those pictures. See, doesn't have to be perfect. See, I labeled the eye, head, shoulder, ankle. It's supposed to be 19. Let's count, okay? Start with the head. 2 foot.
就这样，我可以给你这个嘴巴 ice cream。
Eyebrow. Eye. Cheek. Nose. Nose is right here. You can't see. Nose. And
No, they're
tooth. Tooth. I'll read it to you. Head, eyebrow, eyes, cheek, nose, cheek, tooth, mouth, ear, hair, chin, neck, chest is right here, okay? Chest, hand, ankle, shoulder, stomach, waist, knee, foot. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Now we're done. Everything is 19. See how I labeled it? Doesn't need to be perfect. And it's October, Halloween time. We're gonna talk about later, okay? And I drew so many today. I just draw something. It's not a picture. It's like a flower or something. See? It says my favorite part was that she is Donna. She is Donna, and she is Donna. Wait, I think I turned. She is Donna, and I just can't say, so I'll read it for you. My favorite part was that she is Donna and the girl lives Bill and give Bill the ring. She is a flower girl and Bill gives Donna the ring, and Donna, Bill are getting married. They are. Let me show you the book, okay? See? This is the book of the flower girl. And it has lots of story, but I'm not gonna read it. See? This is his sister Donna, and this is Bill and his dad and mom and this, I don't know, and the flower girl. She was so pretty. She said, if we don't go soon, she'll miss the TV show. See, this is her lucky ring, and Donna I said, "What are you saying?" Don't know what she's saying. But she said nothing. There's Donna again and Bill, Dad, Mom. And at last, look, she was getting mad. See, this is Donna and the friends, and this is the flower. See, this is his uncle's brother right here. It has lots of picture on it. Bill forgot the ring, but he don't know where the ring go. And the flower girl has an idea. See, this is Bill, and this is Donna. See, this is so pretty. This is almost like a I just wrote it. I wrote at the back. See? No. It is right here. I'll show you. Okay. See? This picture, it is really pretty. And I want to show you the next page. I don't have space, so I just want to say flower, and that's it. And I wrote so many books. And now I'm up to this. See? I wrote girl. Thank you for my show to join me. And thank you to you. Yeah. Anytime you could come to my house and see me. Okay? It's okay. I got the tooth loss, and this is my sister. Okay, thank you for you all the time. All the time you could come back, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.